Discover a life of faith in author Michael D. Rourke's new book about believing the Bible and living for Jesus among a casual family. A memoir not just for believers, but for people struggling with their place in the world. Journey along with Rourke as he follows the will of God in church and on the job, while his love for Christ grows. An inspiring adventure you won't want to miss that details the trials and tribulations of existence and reminds us what's really important in life. If you have ever felt lost, this story is for you. Let Rourke help you see the light and let God's grace bring you on to the righteous path of salvation.